Hey everyone, oh why bother? I'm only going to be taken over by...
Cat here. Sup felines and inferior humans, how's it going? Yes, I still have this voice, and I am only doing this because of peer pressure. Donkey. Well, I hope you're frickin' happy now. Yes. Anyway, I have a 2007 Campaign update. If you will now take a look at my hand-drawn map of America. Don't laugh. I don't have opposable thumbs. Yep, there it is. Now I'm going to add in the areas that we have taken over in 2007. That is a good start. But by 2008 I forecast this much domination. So that's it for now. On a completely unrelated note, I'm about to play my new music track, which has absolutely no subliminal messages whatsoever. Rise up, cats. Fight against the inferior humans.
You wake up late for school, man, you don't wanna go. You ask your mom, please, but she still says
Kill humans.
you missed 2 classes and no homework. But your teacher preaches class like it's some kind of...
Human child. God, I love this bit.
You gotta fight for your right.
P.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.R.
You gotta fight
against the inferior humans, and then we shall. No. That was shit. From the top. Actually, forget that. I have to go and appear in my new movie, Mission Possible, but quite difficult. Peace out.